Morning students. Today's class we are going to discuss the topic internal structure of monocot stem. Okay, so it has many layers. One is epidermis, hypodermis, crown tissue, vascular bundle, and pith. Okay, so let us see one by one. First we'll see the epidermis. Okay, so epidermis is the outermost layer which is made up of the layer of parenchymatous cells, and this is also covered with a thick cuticle. Okay, covered with a thick cuticle, and the multicellular hair are absent, so which is present in the dicot stem. Epidermal hairs are present in the dicot stem, but in monocot stem which is absent. Okay, and stomata also present. Stomata present, but which is very less in number. Okay, so very less in number. Then hypodermis. Hypodermis made up of few layer of sclerenchyma cells interrupted by the collenchyma cells. Okay, so the sclerenchyma provides the mechanical support to the plants. Okay, then crown tissue. So the entire mass of parenchyma cells next to hypodermis and extending to the center, so that is said to be crown tissue. Okay, so which is not differentiated into endodermis, cortex, pericycle, and pith. Okay, so next we'll see the vascular bundle. So vascular bundles, here the skull shaped structures. Okay, so which is as present in the crown tissue, scattered in the crown tissue. Okay, scattered means so which is present in what is called that அங்கங்கே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ நாட் which is not present entire crown tissue, which is present very less and scattered. Okay, then vascular bundles are conjoined, collateral, endarc, and closed. Okay, and each vascular bundle surrounded by a few layer of sclerenchyma cells. Okay, so this crown tissue or the vascular bundles is surrounded by a few layers, that is known as bundle sheath. Okay, so this layer is made up of sclerenchyma cells. Okay, then xylem. So xylem, it consists of the metaxylem and protoxylem. Okay, metaxylem and protoxylem. The xylem vessels are arranged in a V shape or the Y shape. Okay, so which is arranged in V shape or Y shaped structure. Okay, in mature vascular bundle, the lowermost protoxylem disintegrates and form the cavity. Okay, so the lowermost layer protoxylem disintegrates and form a cavity, so this is called protoxylem lacuna. Okay, so this cavity name is protoxylem lacuna. Then phloem. The phloem consists of the sieve tube cells. Okay, so sieve tube elements and the companion cells. Okay, which is consist of sieve element and the companion cells. The phloem parenchyma and the phloem fibers are absent. Okay, phloem fiber and phloem parenchyma are absent. Okay, next the pith. So pith is not differentiated in the monocot stem. Pith is not differentiated in monocot stem, so which is absent. Okay, which is absent in monocot stem. Okay, so this is the structure of monocot stem, transverse section of monocot stem. Okay, then let us see the difference between the dicot stem and the monocot stem. Okay, first the hypodermis, so which is made up of the collenchymatous cells in dicot stem. Okay, in dicot stem hypodermis is made up of collenchymatous cells, In monocot, which is made up of sclerenchymatous cells. Then crown tissue. So crown tissue is differentiated into cortex, endodermis, pericycle, and pith, isn't it? In monocot, undifferentiated, already learned. Then vascular bundle. So vascular bundles vary less in number, then uniform in size, arranged in a ring, open, which is a cambium present. Okay, so which is open in nature. The bundle sheath absent in dicot stem. Okay, then in monocot stem, vascular bundles are numerous, smaller nearer periphery and bigger in the center. Smaller nearer periphery, bigger in the center, and which is present scattered in nature, scattered and closed. Here the open in dicot stem, monocot stem closed because the cambium is absent. Okay, then bundle sheath present. Okay, bundle sheath present. Then secondary growth, so which is present in dicot stem and mostly absent in the monocot stem. Pith is present in the dicot stem, absent in the monocot stem. Then medullary rays, which is present in the dicot stem, which is absent in the monocot stem. So this is the difference between the dicot stem and the monocot stem. Okay, so that's all. Next we'll see the next class. Thank you, students.